Hello and welcome to Hackathon Labs. I'm Mr. Hackathon, and in this video, I am going to show you how to optimize and streamline your workflow and processes using Google Workspace Studio. In a previous video, I've shown you how to create a gem. A gem is like a template that ensures you don't have to keep prompting again and again. Once you find a prompt you like, you can use it as a template, and you only have to put the inputs to generate your output. This is a gem I have for generating LinkedIn posts. I input the idea. Gemini is going to use my prompt to generate the output. And we can see my output for my LinkedIn post has been generated. But how do we automate this? This is what we're going to do in Google Workspace Studio. Speaking of automation, this video has been sponsored by Thumbs AI, the easiest way to get more clicks with AI optimized thumbnails. And from now on, I will only be using Thumbs AI to generate my thumbnails in comparison to Gemini or ChatGPT. To increase your click-through rate on YouTube with better thumbnails, visit my Thumbs AI link in the description. What we're currently looking at is Google Sheets. Anytime I have an idea, I like to store it in Google Sheets using a tool called Whisperflow. Whisperflow allows me to speak the idea out loud and it transcribes it, allowing me to really capture the moment. By the way, if you want a 3-month free of Whisperflow Pro, you can find a link in the description. When I have a new idea, it will look something like this. We can see my idea is here, and there's currently no LinkedIn posts associated with it. This is where Google Workspace Studio comes in. I already have my gem to generate it, but I need the automation. Before I show you how to set this up, let's take a look at this in action. We're going to hit test run. Then we want to click start. We can see right now, it doesn't have any LinkedIn posts associated. It's asking a gem to complete. We can see our step 2 is ask a gem. We can see it's generated here, but if we go back, we can see it's being updated in my Google Sheets. When you design automations like this, you want triggers and actions. Here, our step 1 is anytime a sheet changes. We're watching the Whisperflow spreadsheet, we're watching the ideas sheet, and we're watching very specific columns to see if there's any changes in those rows and columns. Step 2 is our first action, where we are asking a gem. We can just click a drop down of the gem we want to use, and we don't have to enter a prompt. If you wanted to enter a prompt, you could, but we don't have to enter a prompt. All I'm doing is using my input from step 1. So in my case, it's the idea. I don't need web search and I don't need access to Workspace. Then all we're going to do in this specific automation is update the row. So it's going to add the output to LinkedIn post. As you can see here, set new values by column, and it's saying the column that we want to set the new value in. If we attempt to create a new step, we can actually see there's lots of opportunity here, such as recapping unread email or extracting information from emails. We can do conditionals and filter. We can even ask Notebook LM. I don't think Google has been the strongest with workflows, which is why tools like Make, Zapier, NAN have been so successful. However, I do think this is a big step forward. If this video was helpful to you in any way, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI and automation content that can help you transform your life and business.